Yeah, I'm dripping junket.
When you wanna vape something new, there's only one thing you should do. Get onto YouTube and view Ralphie's Juice of the Week.
How are you all doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy's Reviews, Team Knucklehead. Following last week's Juice of the Week, we're going to do a fucker again. We are. We had suicide serum on last week, 4 delicious fucking flavours, and they are the bomb. They're still on the website, still reduced. They're just not Juice of the Week anymore. Yeah. This week, as you may have noticed from the intro, Crazy Steve and our Fluffy did a graphic to show that we are doing, let's get my favourite, Dobro range. Yeah, the Dobro range is an 80% VG donut based, I guess you'd call it, range of flavours, and they're all, this one's Boston cream, so it's donuts with Boston cream, donuts with apple, donuts with lemon, donuts with blueberry, donuts with caramel. There's also a coffee, also a chocolate. There might be another fucker, but it escapes me and I've not got it here because I'm shit at getting prepared. My favourite by far, don't buy it please, is Boston cream. So don't fucking buy it because I want it. But they're all fucking lovely, you know. What surprised me is how well fucking blended and balanced they are. The lemon is not too sharp. It's got a lovely sweet taste, as they all have. They're not sickly. And that lemon just comes through fucking sweet. Honestly, I'm not normally over keen on lemon pastries, you know, the old lemon tart. There's a certain one that fucking I just can't stand. Boss Shop, Flavour Boss one is a lot fucking nicer than the one I won't mention. But for me, it's not an all-day vape. Tastes purely subjective, but these fucking hell, I could almost pick one blindfold, take it out with me and no other juice and know that I'm going to fucking enjoy every fucking vape that I get. The apple one really surprised me because I'm not a fan of apple vapes. It's fucking lovely. It really is lovely. It's like a real fresh, crisp apple donut. So it's sweet, it's cakey. It's got that slightly fried edge to it that I really fucking like, and it's got a bit of apple to lift it. They're really fucking, hats off though, bro. You've come out with what is just about one of my favourite fucking pre-made juice ranges. The Marina Vapes do some epic flavours. And these are easily on a fucking par. That's a biggie coming from me because I'm a huge Marina Vapes fan. They do some wonderful, wonderful juices. So there's got to be one that you like. That's what I've worked my way through all of them. And I really like the fucking Boston cream. So don't buy this one because it's my fucker. Yeah, if they sell out and I can't have it, then I won't be happy. There's going to be one that takes your fucking fancy. I'll put a link in, as always, to the product. I'll put the code in, which should come up about now. And then you can enter that at the checkout and you will get 30 fucking % off for the next 7 days. That was hard work, wasn't it? I made a fucking meal out of that. The next 7 days, yeah. Today is the fucking 12th of March. So between the 12th and the 19th, enter the code that came along the bottom of the screen just then. Get 30% off fucking Dobros. Go and check out last week's Juice of the Week with the suicide serum. They are now reduced in price until they go. And fucking there you have it, you know. Easy peasy, nice and quick, nice and fucking straightforward. Juice of the Week this week is the Dobro fucking range. And I love it. It's one of my favourites of all fucking time. Have a great one. Thanks for watching. Big love. And remember people, Smoking kills, vaping saves lives. We all know which we choose by now, surely. Yeah. See you all again real fucking soon.